What does your credit score look like? Is it great? Or if you're like many people, maybe it's not so great. Well, Designing Spaces is here with some tips from the experts.
My name's Alisa Glutz. I'm the author of Color My Credit. I'm a Scottsdale resident and an 18-year veteran of being in the mortgage lending industry. As a mortgage loan officer, I've had many credit repair companies reach out to me over the years, and my feeling from my perspective was that customers don't necessarily need to be repaired, they need to be empowered.
One of her recommendations is to open a secured Visa credit card from OpenSky.
So a secured card is a little different from an unsecured card. That's kind of the credit cards we're used to, where it requires a deposit, and the deposit is usually pretty equal to the credit line. OpenSky gives you an opportunity to get the credit card and not have it be based on your credit score. With no credit check, it gives you the ability to start your credit building process right away.
As an expert in helping people improve their credit scores, Alisa knows what having a good credit score can mean for people's lifestyles.
These days, your credit score can impact you being able to rent a home, get car insurance, home insurance in some states. Sometimes even getting a job requires you to have a good credit history. Most of the credit scores out there fall somewhere between 300 and 850. I would say 70% or more of America are above a 497. And so you'll see the majority of people there, you're striving these days for an 800 credit score.
So how does the OpenSky secured Visa credit card work?
OpenSky provides a secured credit card that you secure starting with $200. You can go higher than that. And then they give you a credit card that gives you the ability to borrow and pay back each month. And the nice thing with OpenSky is they're not going to deny you for your credit score. That won't be the barrier for you rebuilding your credit again.
How should you use a secured credit card to get the most out of it?
A lot of the secured credit cards are going to be a very low limit. So you want to start out just borrowing 10% of whatever's available to you. If it's a $200 limit, drop the last digit, $20. One $20 charge a month, and you pay back every month. OpenSky gives you the advantage because they report to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You need all three. In order to purchase a home, purchase a car, they're going to usually take that middle score for a mortgage. So it's important for you to have accounts that report to all three of the credit bureaus.
Cardholders can see their credit score improve in as little as 6 months. Here are some tips on how to get the most out of it.
The most important tip I can give you with a credit card is to know your dates. Know the day the credit card opened. Know the statement closing date. Know the due date. And here's one they don't usually tell you out loud. What's the reporting date? What's the day they're going to tell the credit bureaus what your balance was for the month? It's a great way to not only build rewards, but build your self-esteem, your confidence in life. And it doesn't take you having to go into debt to get there.
Want to know more about the OpenSky secured Visa credit card? Visit openskycc.com/TV. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.